wanted to do a quick little video to show you our 79 through 04 Grip Series rear suspension kit. It is a complete kit for your 79 through 04 Mustang. It includes single adjustable lower control arms, which are made of 4130 chrome moly. They have a Kevlar nylon chrome moly heim, and they're powder coated in the gray hammer tone finish. We include our double adjustable relocated uppers. They are set to optimize the geometry on the 8.8 rear end and to fix the inherent flaws in the stock 8.8 geometry. We also include our extreme duty anti-roll bar in the kit, and it comes with all the hardware and downlinks, which we don't have here while we're doing the video. We also include a set of our stock location rear springs. These springs are set up to optimize the ride height and traction for a car that weighs between 28 and 3,200 pounds when you get a 79 through 93, and for the 94 through 04, it's for cars up to 3,300 pounds. We also include our stock location double adjustable strange shocks. These have our proprietary custom valving, and they work great for small tires. The whole kit is priced under $1,600. I believe it's $1,569 to be exact, which is cheaper than what you'll pay for a set of custom valve shocks elsewhere. So for under $1,600, you get a complete kit that is made to optimize your geometry and optimize traction. We have prototyped this kit on our shop car and several of our customers' cars. They've been known to go 115, 116, 60 foot on less than stellar tracks. And my personal car clicked off plenty of 115, 60 foots with this kit and ran deep into the 790s. And on a 275 radial, it was a pretty stout thing. And we did this whole package, and we did the whole car to prove that you didn't have to spend a whole bunch of money to get a really good 60 foot. The combination was deadly simple. It had a cheap set of struts on the front. I believe they were Lakewood 7030s, and this very package on the rear with an 8.8 housing, and it was a non-mini tubbed car. And the car, you know, it had just a tick under 1,000 horsepower, and it ran strong to the 60 foot, and that's what we used to prototype this kit. So you can find this kit on our website, www.teamzmotorsports.net, and you can call, get some tech on it, or check out the specs on our website. Thanks a lot.